Hello friends, I'm Sachin. Here's my friend Vikrant. See up there. Today we are going for a ride to find a beautiful destination. Let's see where we are going today. So now we are on National Highway NH3. Right now we are somewhere in Manali. Yo bro, a local bus is coming. Up there you can see beautiful mountains. Up there you can see jungle down there. One side of the road you can see the Beas river. So now we are very near to our destination. We are almost there. Yeah, it's a very beautiful location. See, there is a bridge. This place is called Kalat. It's famous for hot spring water. So here we are on our destination. You can hear the sound of Beas river. All around us there's lots of trees, greenery and beautiful scenery. You can see. Yeah. Up this mountain, forest, orchards, apple orchards. You can see highways that side. See the beautiful river. So it's time to do some off-roading. Yeah, we are enjoying a very small uphill and downhill exercise here. It's time to say bye bye to this place. So now we are back on our village link road. It's little dark here, so we have to hurry. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.